Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Epic Games launcher preparing. First, close the launcher completely. You can do this by right-clicking on the Epic Games icon in the taskbar and selecting Exit. Then reopen the launcher and see if the problem goes away. If it is still stuck, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause the preparing loop. Restart your router or switch to a wired connection if possible. Next, clear the web cache for the launcher. To do this, close the launcher, press Windows key plus R, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Open the Epic Games launcher folder, then delete the folder named web cache. Restart the launcher after that. If the issue continues, try running the launcher as administrator. Right-click on the Epic Games shortcut and select Run as administrator. This sometimes fixes permission problems. If nothing works, reinstalling the launcher may be the best fix. Uninstall it from your system, then download and install it again. Don't worry, your games are safe, and you can reinstall them from your library. Following these steps usually solves the preparing problem and gets you back to your games. Thanks for watching.